Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode, we'll explore how product liability insurance can safeguard your startup from costly lawsuits and product-related risks. If you've ever started a new business, you know it brings a unique mix of feelings, a bit of excitement and a touch of fear. After all, as an entrepreneur, you need to focus your energy and attention on developing new products or marketing strategies to keep growing. However, once you have a startup, it's essential to learn how to manage risks, because they are always present. One of the most important considerations for startups is product liability insurance, which can mean the difference between financial success and failure. It protects your startup against risks associated with lawsuits related to your products. Keep listening to learn how to protect your startup and reduce risks. Let's start by breaking down what product liability insurance truly means. According to Forbes, 90% of startups fail. Often, this is due to market factors such as declining sales, but just as frequently it happens because startups lack a forward-looking vision. Beyond offering a great product or solution, successful companies plan for the future. This means anticipating and addressing risks so growth and expansion become inevitable, no matter what challenges arise. Product liability insurance in Nevada is one of the key tools in that forward-thinking strategy. It is coverage that protects businesses from legal and financial consequences if a product causes injury or property damage due to defects or design flaws. Specifically designed for companies that manufacture, distribute, or sell physical products, this coverage offers essential protection. This type of coverage is especially valuable for startups, particularly those involved in manufacturing or e-commerce. No matter how strict your quality standards are, there is always some level of risk. Even the most carefully controlled products can fail. Without protection against claims, you could face significant financial losses and damage to your reputation. Now, let's dive into why product liability insurance deserves a spot at the top of your priority list. Understanding potential risks early helps your startup avoid costly setbacks and focus on growth. These risks include: 1. Legal risks are always present. When you introduce a product to the market, you become part of the chain of distribution. This chain includes manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, and anyone else involved in delivering your product to the consumer. In the event of a defect, lawsuits often involve multiple parties. Even if your company is not directly responsible, being part of that chain can make you a named defendant. This scenario can result in costly legal proceedings. For startups, these costs can be financially devastating. Legal defense expenses, even for claims without merit, can drain budgets. For this reason, having product liability insurance in Nevada offers a safety net, covering legal fees and potential settlement amounts, allowing your business to survive and focus on growth rather than litigation battles. 2. Outsourcing does not eliminate liability. Many startups outsource manufacturing to reduce costs and focus on other aspects of the business. While outsourcing can be beneficial, it does not remove your responsibility for the product. If a manufacturer overseas produces your goods, your company may still be considered the de facto manufacturer in the eyes of the law. This makes you vulnerable to product liability claims, regardless of who physically made the product. Even local outsourcing does not completely remove risk if your branding is on the product. Having the right coverage in place ensures protection for your startup, whether you produce goods in-house or work with external manufacturers. 3. Building trust with stakeholders. Investors, partners, and customers look for assurance that your business is stable and prepared for risks. Having comprehensive product liability coverage demonstrates that your startup takes safety and responsibility seriously. This is especially important in sectors with higher exposure to liability, such as manufacturing, food production, or consumer goods. Startups in Nevada with product liability coverage send a clear message. They prioritize quality, safety, and accountability. This reassurance can strengthen relationships with stakeholders and even make your business more attractive to potential investors. 4. Potential costs of claims can be substantial. Product liability settlements can be significant. Lawsuits can account for medical bills, property damage, lost income, and other damages, often multiplying the initial cost of injury. For startups, these costs can be overwhelming. A strong product liability insurance policy in Nevada can cover not only settlements, but also the substantial legal fees involved in defending against a claim. This coverage helps startups avoid financial ruin and continue operating even after a serious lawsuit. The reality is that the size and frequency of product liability claims have been increasing. For startups looking to establish themselves in competitive markets, having adequate coverage is a strategic move. 5. Tailoring coverage to your business needs. Every startup is unique, and insurance solutions should reflect that. Your industry, product type, and distribution method will influence the kind of product liability insurance you need. Insurance brokers at PJO Insurance Brokerage can evaluate your risks and tailor a policy that meets your startup's needs. This personalized approach ensures you're only paying for the coverage you need, while effectively safeguarding against the most relevant risks. For Nevada-based startups, working with brokers who understand product liability insurance and other specialized coverages provides a major advantage. These brokers have the knowledge to ensure your policy aligns with local laws and market realities. 6. Peace of mind for long-term growth. A lawsuit over a product defect can distract you from growing your startup. Having proper coverage allows founders and managers to focus on innovation, marketing, and scaling without the constant worry of potential liabilities. With the right policy in place, your startup gains not only financial protection but also peace of mind. You can move forward confidently, knowing that you have a safety net if unexpected problems arise. Next, let's explore how to get started with product liability insurance and set your startup on the right path to protection. If you're launching a startup, now is the time to think about product liability insurance. Begin by following these steps. Assess your products and risks. Carefully review your products and the potential risks they may pose. For instance, consider factors like materials, manufacturing processes, distribution methods, and how consumers use them. This helps identify key vulnerabilities your policy should cover. Consult with an experienced insurance broker. Partner with a broker who understands your industry and the unique challenges your business faces. A professional insurance company in Nevada can explain the nuances of product liability coverage, help identify gaps in your protection, and guide you towards a policy that aligns with your business model. Compare policy options. Not all policies are created equal. Compare different plans to ensure your coverage offers the right balance between protection and cost. Look beyond price. Focus on coverage limits, exclusions, and additional benefits to make sure your policy fully supports your business needs. And ensure coverage across the distribution chain. Product liability claims can involve anyone in your supply chain, including manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. For startups considering product liability insurance in Nevada, it's necessary to ensure your policy covers all parties and situations to keep your business fully protected. Don't leave your business exposed to unnecessary risks. Connect with our experienced brokers today and secure the product liability insurance your startup deserves. Product liability insurance can protect the future of your startup. As mentioned, lawsuits can arise unexpectedly, and without coverage, the impact can be devastating. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, a trusted Nevada insurance company with over 50 years of combined experience, we specialize in helping startups identify risks and secure tailored solutions. Contact us today. Call us at 702-370-4799 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to performing above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.